So there you go. As you could see last week, actually the video was really short. I couldn't show that much, and one of the reasons is because many things are happening in the background. Hopefully soon I can show everybody. Yes, a lot is happening, but I cannot show or say it or say it yet. So yeah, today actually, if everything goes well, we will see. Who knows? I'm gonna visit two new places, a garage, and hopefully something that I can stay there for a long time until in the future move back to Spain. But we will see. So yeah. So let's get at it. So let's see. Yeah, okay. So yesterday I went to see a location, a new one, and actually I did like it a lot. But the problem was that it was in the middle of the city, surrounded by houses. So I needed to cool off later on in the day. I really thought about it, but nah, I need to find something else. So let's keep on searching. Yesterday night I was driving around just to see if I see a few other locations. I found other locations I just call now, but most of them they are just for sale. So yeah, let's keep on searching. And yeah, I'm gonna invest now like an hour to do that, and later on I'm gonna start with the VSA engine that I was pushing around until now. So yeah. And I think I need to order now. I think I got the payment of the parts for the Norton, so I will do the ordering of the parts, and voila, yeah. So let's go. So there we go. Let's see. So this week, as you saw, I couldn't show that much because a lot of things are happening, but it's more in the background. Anyways, I needed to wait for parts, and yeah, that's pretty annoying that last week was almost the same. Yeah, right now my website is done, and please check it out. That was my tryout for the web shop, because hopefully all you guys check it out and maybe you find mistakes. I don't know. If you do, please send me a message through the website. So after that the website has been truly tested, I'm going to shadow the web shop, sorry, and yeah, there I'm going to sell, well, you will see. One of the things is merchandising. Finally is coming. Okay, it's not there yet, but it's almost there. Here you can see some examples. Okay, so yeah, that's the idea, and I'm gonna sell a lot of motorcycle parts, mostly Triumph, but you will see. And right now we were together with Stefan, the owner of the 68 Bonneville. He's helping me out with all this, and he made actually my own website and web shop too. So yeah, that's really nice. I really thank him for that. One more thing, actually right now I have buy me a coffee. That's yeah, this is like a website or something. So I do like coffee. And if you like to help out the channel, you can do it through there. I will put the link below, and from now on I'm gonna put it in all my videos. So this helps a little bit. So a little bit here, a little bit there, you know. So yes, the composition of the videos now they're gonna change too. I'm gonna do it differently. So no like time lapse and explanation and like that. It's gonna be different. I'm trying to figure that out what I'm going to do now. but I must to change, and I need to be comfortable doing these little changes. So I need to fine tune it still. Ideas are welcome. So if you feel like it, please comment below. And yeah. A lot of things are happening, and soon we can launch everything, and then hopefully things start to really pop up. So yeah, see you next week. Okay, sorry for the short video again, but yeah, it is what it is. So it goes. So yeah, ciao ciao.